Hello friends, I am Saroj Vishwas, gold medalist, first rank holder of 1994 batch in engineering stream of all the colleges affiliated to University of Mysore during that period. A BE in civil engineering from National Institute of Engineering Mysore, a MTech in structural engineering from Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, that is IIT Delhi, a Sun certified Java programmer, Sun Microsystem USA. I have more than 25 years of professional experience in designing building structures and allied subsidiaries. I invite you all to learn with me how to design building structures using commercially available structural softwares with the help of some manual computation as and when needed. In this section, we shall discuss about the GA data to be provided to the structural GA detailer at first floor level, that is this level, and the roof level. So now before proceeding ahead, I would like to go back to the GA detail along longitudinal direction. In last section, I did not discuss about the connection detail at the junction point of the two braces. So we need to provide that connection detail also. So this will be connection detail. It will have similar kind of bolts and tongue plates as the relevant basing connection at junction of the column and beams. So these detail also will have to provide to the structural GA detailer. So if we go back to level structural detail, none, our structure will be seen. Now shift and will show the node number. So we can cut a plane along node 20 or 17. So tool cut section, exit plane 20. So this is our mezzanine floor level. Now if you select all the member, view selected member only. Now this is our structural frame at mezzanine floor level. So all other data has been given in longitudinal section or transverse section. So we have to provide the data about the joist. So shift N will remove node number out of display. So shift K will display the node points. Now level, structure, section outline. So this is our section outline. Now if you can see, the column positions is not displayed if you cut a section. So let us select this, view whole structure. Now select the columns as well. You can select it like this. So all our columns has been selected. So view, if you go, now you can see the columns can be also seen. Now let us snip this new, take it, to our structural GA sheet. Paste it here. So
We can write this. Paste. Mezzanine and details. So our joister, we have same sizes of joist in this building, but for larger building we can have different sizes of joist for different kind of span. So we should, instead of writing the joist sizes on the plan itself, we should name this joist. So shape, G on, now let us rotate this, make a copy of this, copy, paste, G on, G on, so we have written all the joist sizes. Now see, we have given part of the staircase can be shown in the plan itself. So we have to provide a cut line. So we can draw a cut line. Copy. So this way the structural GA detailer will know that he has to supply the connection detail for IS C250, that is the stringers for the staircases. So now if you see the connection design for the joist in our spreadsheet, our maximum shear force was 41.25 and the number of bolts are 3 numbers with pitch 50 mm and with edge distance 30 mm. So we should provide that kind of detail. So we have this detail. So we shall take this, copy, and take this to our plan, paste. So this is one of our detail. We have to provide a detail for joist connected to the main beam from both sides also. Here the connection is same, but at times there could be 4 bolts on one side and 3 bolts on other side. So we need to provide that kind of detail. But in our case, in this case, we have same number of bolts. So our detail will be something like this. When joists are connecting from the 2 sides, so it is the same joist G on. So when the structural GA is provided to the fabrication detailer, he will take appropriate detail as required. In addition to this, you have to provide the connection detail of the stringer. Now note that we had released the effects of those stringers so that it doesn't take part in lateral force resisting system. So we need to provide a slotted hole kind of detail for the stringer connections. So we can have this. We'll have this kind of detail. So this slotted hole can be short slotted hole, long slotted hole. Here we have provided long slotted hole, that is 2.5 diameter of the boards. So note that while designing these slot holes with the slotted hole, we have to make appropriate reduction in the strength of the board. You can see the reduction factor given here in the IS code. For long slotted hole, the strength has to be reduced by 30%, where short slotted hole, the strength has to be reduced by 15%. We have to provide a table for the joist size also. Here we have a single joist. If there are multiple joists, table is a very convenient method to provide the details of the joist. So this kind of table we have to provide to the GE retailer who will prepare similar table in his drawing. So with this we complete the details of the mezzanine floor. Now you have to provide the details of the roof level. So let us go back to the STAAD file, view whole structure. So this is our roof. Let us select this roof, view. Now this is our roof level. The rafter sizes is already visible in transverse cross sections, and the stud sizes are also visible, but we may supply it here as well. So level, go to level, structure, section outline. Okay, this is our section outline. Let us take this new, copy, paste. So copy, paste. See, for mezzanine plan and details, we have to provide the level as well when there is multiple floor level. Whenever there is a part floor within a building as a whole, it is called a mezzanine floor. If the floor covers the whole area of the buildings, then it's become a floor. So it's become first floor, second floor, third floor. So this is the difference between a mezzanine floor and a actual floor. So this is our plan at roof level. You have to provide the details as well. So let us write the details. So this will be our detail at the roof level, plan at roof level. We must provide the grid data wherever possible, as far as possible, so that there is no confusion left. So we have to provide this at mezzanine level as well, at the roof level as well, so that wherever there is a cutout or something else there is clearly located. Now for this roof plan, we have to provide detail of those connections which we did not provide at longitudinal, in the details of longitudinal section or transverse sections. So these are the details. Here is one detail. Similarly, we have to mark all the details where we need to provide, then we have to provide the details. So this is the detail we will have at roof level. With this, the structural GA details of this building completes. But along with this, still we have to provide the information about gut and purlin spacing and their overlaps. So we have to provide that as well. So we have provided the spacing details of the purlins along with the overlaps. So from this detail itself, the structural G detail will also prepare the purlin layout detail and the gird layout details. So this completes the structural GA data to be provided to the structural GA. With this data, the structural GA will be prepared. We shall discuss the structural GA and its parts preparation in next section.